Hello and welcome back to TradingCult. So now let's have a look at how to become a partner. So let's go to partners here, and as we can see, we have an affiliate program in which the affiliate commission goes up to 25% with a payment schedule of every 2 weeks, 14 days. Now I would like to know what is the commission that is being offered to the affiliate. So let's go to the FAQ for that, and now under the affiliate program we can click here in affiliates, and let's see what is the reward that can be earned through the TradingCult affiliate program. As we can see here, there is a 10% commission for the first 4 referrals. So basically for your first, second, third and fourth, you receive 10% of the commission, then 15% of the commission between the 5th and the 19th, 20% commission from the 20th to the 99th, and finally 25% commission for anything above 100 referral. It's important to note that the percentage that you can see here from 20% to 25% of the challenge purchase is being given for the initial purchase made by each trader. So basically any subsequent purchases that they will do, you won't get any commission for that. Now there is obviously specific a la carte VIP conditions for certain affiliates. So if you are one of them, make sure you contact the team, speak to a manager and become a partner of TradingCult. Until then, all the best. Ciao, ciao.